Stolen electricity and missing lights. Another scandal dogging the St. Ann Municipal Corporation this evening as members of the Minority Caucus seek answers that St. Ann's Bay Mayor Sidney Stewart says he doesn't have right now. As you'll hear in this report, the issue surrounds operations at the newly refurbished Buckfield Playfield in Ocho Rios. Light posts with no lights at the Buckfield Playfield in the heart of Ocho Rios, St. Ann. But who installed the 13 light posts and who stole the lights? Questions members of the Minority Caucus of the St. Ann Municipal Corporation raised at the latest meeting as Mayor Sidney Stewart was grilled for answers.
I want to ask you, Mr. Chairman, the question. Is it true that all light posts at the Buckfield Playfield were stolen from JPS?
You're not going to squeeze out of me answers that I don't have at the moment.
The Sanders Foundation renovated the Buckfield Playfield and multipurpose stadiums in 2020 for about $50,000, but the St. Ann Municipal Corporation owns the complex. At last week's infrastructure meeting at the Municipal Corporation, a revelation that electricity was being stolen to power the complex at nights. A security specialist from the Jamaica Public Service, JPS, explained that the matter was being investigated from 2019 when it was discovered that even though there was no meter attached to the light posts, there was power supply coming directly from the JPS's grid. The JPS representative added that a barrel lock placed on a meter socket, which was not approved by the power company, was later removed, and an inspection certificate stamped onto the meter socket in June 2019, 2 months after the JPS audit team first visited the complex in April 2019. Additionally, more light poles were installed since that initial visit in April 2019, but they weren't bought from the JPS. Now the JPS suspects all the illegal activities may have been done by a JPS technician and an unscrupulous contractor. At this week's corporation meeting, minority councillors demanded answers from the mayor about a recent meeting with JPS.
A meeting convened to discuss this matter don't necessarily mean that all the questions asked in the meeting was a conclusion. And that's what I'm trying to tell you. But
everything you don't know, you don't know.
I never said that to you. I never said that to you. And what I said to you, give us an opportunity to get all the information.
But based on my knowledge, this thing has been going on more than a year now. And what are you going to tell me as a chairman of the council? This thing, I'm not really Mr. Chairman. You are telling me that as a chairman of the council, you never know what's taking place?
I'm not taking one more argument on that matter. And we are moving to the next item. Sit down. Sit down.
Tell us what you know now.
Sit down. Sit down.
I'm going to sit
for
you to tell us what you know.
Sit,
if you try to move away from telling us, we're going to stand up again.
But Mayor Stewart insisted he would get the answers to the minority council's questions by the next meeting of the Finance Committee or convene a special meeting to discuss the issue further.